Well, as you can see, it's raining. I came out here today to see, how big of a bag I could get. This is my second fish for the day. So, I mean, I'll take it. It's just under 19, probably 3.5, maybe. Nice fish. Let it go this time. Got out here. It wasn't supposed to rain until a little bit later. So it's scattered thunderstorms. Not too worried about that. The rain here actually isn't bad right now. The biggest thing was just it rained hard and it was just slow moving rain. And that's what sucks. If it had been quick and windy and just zoomed by us, it'd been fine. But so I'm drenched, but I got to my spot and that's what happened. I'm more worried about the microphone on the camera because I forgot to put the camera in the hull. But the camera's waterproof. I don't think the mic is, but hopefully everything works out. The audio is okay. Everything works out. We'll see. But today I wanted to come out and see how big of a bag I could catch. I'm not fishing in any tournament or anything like that. I just wanted to fish for fun. And I think that this rain will keep a lot of the boaters off the water. So still more rain to come. Got my wet gear on, soaked though, but at least I'm catching fish, even though it's raining. And hey, that makes it worth it. Did run into Paul at the boat ramp, so there's at least 2 of us out here in kayaks. So maybe we'll have the place to ourselves. The fish may not be in a chasing mood today. Got some rain coming in, we had a bit of cold front roll through, and just kind of everything happening right now. Oh, here's one. Grabbed it almost next to the kayak. Oh no, he came off. Wasn't that big. There was a fish, grabbed it like right there at the kayak. Grabbed it, took off with it. This is not a giant. Alright. Healthy fish though. This is up on this ledge a little bit more than they were last time. That both hits were kind of like in the line that I just threw. Before they were out more. And maybe they just want a slower presentation today. Maybe that's it. Oh, got a bite. Oh, it was. Oh, he's got it again. I don't think it's a big guy. I think it's a little one. Tiny. He had it and I lifted up, he dropped it and he came back and smacked it again. Baby. So this spot, holds fish. It's just nothing big yet. And the biggest one I got out here is maybe 15. Well, this sucks. It's starting to let up a little bit. We got through the thick stuff, but I don't think I'm making it down to where I want to make it today. So this is the second time I've tried and unsuccessfully made it. Didn't make it. I'll have to try again on a different day. But let's go over here, and there's no thunder or lightning, which thank God. I'd be freaking out if there was. There's none of that, and currently it's just a little bit of wind, and it's actually blowing the right direction. It's blowing north, like northeast. Sorry, it's coming out of the south and blowing like southeast. So I at least have that comfort knowing that I got a little bit of tailwind pushing me back. But we're here, so I mean, let's fish. And we got one. He's not a giant, but he's a fish. Another little guy. That's a good hit. Feels like a better fish. Stuck in this hydrilla, I think. Oh. All right. All right, look at that one. That's a nice chunky one. All right, there we go. That's a good one. That's a good 3-pounder right there. In this mess. All right, see, that bothers me. At this point though, I think the storm is that way. So because it's blowing that way, I got clear skies to the south. It's actually probably more beneficial for me just to wait so it gets past me. I got my rods down. I don't recommend doing this. That's the first clap of thunder I've heard the entire time I've been out here, and it's been raining. So this storm might be developing here and then pushing up. As long as it goes north, I don't care. I didn't see the lightning, which is good. We'll make our way up this way, and then you know, if we have to, we can bail from here. The storm is up there. Any of the thunder, you can hear it coming this way. Behind us though is a decent clean patch, so I think we might have dodged a bullet there. I normally, and I would have been, when it rains like that, starts to thunder, usually I dip pretty quick, but I think the storm formed just south of us and moved over us. It was all rain. There's no thunder the entire time I was out here until, you know, just when that first clap that you guys heard. And right now I'm about 2 miles away from the boat ramp, so not much I can do. Just kind of get under a little floating island there, put my rods down, and just waited. The good thing was it wasn't any crazy wind or anything like that, and I think we might have dodged a bullet. So let's get out here, make a cast or two, and then let's go home. Oh, you grabbed it right there at the boat. Shoot. Oh, another one grabbed it. Bait scattering right here. It's a good sign. I can't have the fish on, I can't be. Can't have them, I'm gonna be caught in something. Weird real foot pipe or something. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I thought. So that's what's coming. I don't see a lot of rain or heavy rain out there, but I don't want to take a chance and get caught again where I might be in a possible thunderstorm. So I know there's supposed to be more rain this afternoon, so I'm gonna head on out. I'm gonna head up there, take this canal out, and I'll fish my way back, but don't want to get caught in that stuff again. Well, we're getting some errors on the GoPro. Hopefully it's not something permanent, it can just dry out, but we'll find out. But it just keeps raining, so we'll see what happens from here, you know. So I caught some fish, which was good, but you know, with the weather being like it is, and I don't want to get caught in another thunderstorm, I figured it's best just to move on, so that's what we did, and so here we are, filling up on gas and heading home. So hopefully I get to get down into the places I want to fish, but I'll have to wait until the next time we have some decent weather. So until then, let's catch you in the next one.